Hello, my friend. Welcome to this special time, just for you. I'm so glad you're here. Tonight, you can relax, you can rest, you can learn. Close your eyes if you want. Get comfortable. This is your time to sleep and to grow. We will speak English together. Simple English, easy English. And we will say good things, positive things, things that help you feel good. You are safe here. You are welcome here. Let's begin. Take a deep breath in and out. Very good. I am enough. Listen to these words. I am enough. You can say it with me, or just listen. I am enough. This means you don't need to be perfect. You are good. You are valuable right now. I am enough. Let's say it again, slowly. I am enough. Beautiful. You are learning English. That is wonderful. Some days are easy. Some days are hard. But you are trying. You are here. That is enough. You don't need to know every word. You don't need to speak perfectly. You are learning. You are growing. I am learning. I am growing. Say it softly in your mind. I am learning. I am growing. Every day, you are better than yesterday. Maybe just a little bit, but that's okay. Small steps are still steps. I take small steps every day. Small steps every day. You are doing well. Really, truly, you are doing well. I am doing well. Breathe in, breathe out. You are enough. Now let's talk about peace. I am calm. Say it gently. I am calm. Your body is relaxing. Your mind is quiet. I am calm. I am peaceful. When you speak English, maybe you feel nervous. That's normal. Many people feel this way. But right now, you are safe. I am safe. I can relax. You don't need to rush. You can take your time. I take my time. I am calm. Learning a language is like planting a garden. You plant seeds. You water them. Then you wait. You cannot force flowers to grow fast. They grow in their own time. I grow in my own time. Say it with me. I grow in my own time. And that is perfect. I am calm. I am patient. Breathe slowly now. In and out. Your body feels heavy, comfortable. I am relaxed. I am calm. You are doing so well. Let yourself rest. Let's practice some simple English now. Just listen. Let the words float into your mind. Today is a good day. Today is a good day. This is a simple sentence, easy to remember. Today is a good day. I feel good. I feel good. Short and simple. I feel good. You can use this sentence every day. When you wake up, you can say, I feel good. I am happy. I am happy. Happiness is important. I am happy. Even when things are difficult, you can find small happiness. I am happy to be here. I am happy to be here. I am learning English. Say it slowly. I am learning English. This is true. Right now, you are learning. Just by listening, you learn. I learn when I listen. I learn when I listen. So easy, so true. I can do this. Repeat it. I can do this. When English feels hard, remember, I can do this. You have done hard things before. You can do this too. I can do this. Let's practice some everyday words. Listen and let them sink in. Water, water. Sleep, sleep. Friend, friend. Happy, happy. Home, home. Peace, peace. These words are simple, but powerful. They are part of your life every day. I drink water, I sleep well. I have friends. Easy sentences. I am happy, I am home, I feel peace. Let these words rest in your mind. You don't need to memorize them. Just let them be there. Now we talk about confidence. I am confident. Confidence means you believe in yourself. I believe in myself. Maybe you make mistakes in English. That's okay. Everyone makes mistakes. Mistakes are not bad. They help you learn. My mistakes help me learn. Say it again. My mistakes help me learn. You are brave. Yes, you are brave. Learning a new language is not easy, but you are doing it. I am brave. I am strong. When you speak English, people will understand you, even if you make mistakes, even if your accent is different. People understand me. You have something valuable to say. Your words matter. My words matter. You don't need to compare yourself to others. Some people learn fast. Some learn slow. Your speed is perfect for you. I learn at my own pace. At my own pace. This means your own speed. I learn at my own pace, and that is good. You are confident. You are capable. I am confident. I am capable. Capable means you can do it. You have the ability. I have the ability to learn. Yes, you do. Let's think about good things now. I am grateful. Grateful means you feel thankful. I am grateful for today. Think about something good in your life. Maybe it's a person. Maybe it's a place. Maybe it's just this quiet moment. I am grateful for this moment. I am thankful. Thankful and grateful are similar. Both mean you appreciate something. I am thankful for my progress. Progress means you are moving forward. Even small progress is still progress. I appreciate my progress. Good things come to me. Listen to this. Good things come to me. You deserve good things. I deserve good things. I am surrounded by kindness. Maybe not always, but often. There is kindness in the world. I see kindness around me, and you can be kind too. I am kind to myself. This is important. Be kind to yourself. I speak to myself with kindness. I am proud of myself. You should be proud. You are here. You are trying. I am proud of my effort. Effort means you are working hard. I am proud of my effort. Now, let's prepare for deep sleep. Your body is so relaxed now. I am ready to sleep. Sleep is healing. When you sleep, your body rests. Your mind rests too. Sleep is good for me. I sleep peacefully. Peacefully means calmly, quietly. I sleep peacefully tonight. While you sleep, your brain is working. It's organizing everything you learned. All the English words, all the positive thoughts. I learn while I sleep. This is true. Sleep helps memory. My brain works while I rest. Tomorrow, I will wake up refreshed. Refreshed means feeling new and energized. Tomorrow, I wake up refreshed. I release all worry. Release means let go. You can let go of worry now. I let go of stress. Just breathe. Everything is okay. I am safe. I am peaceful. My sleep is deep and restful. Deep sleep, restful sleep. I sleep well tonight. You've done so well today. You listened, you learned. You filled your mind with positive words. I am proud of myself. Remember these things. I am enough. I am calm. I am confident. I am learning. I am grateful. English will come to you naturally. Word by word, day by day. You don't need to rush. I am patient with myself. As you drift into sleep now, know that you are exactly where you need to be. I am in the right place. This thesis examines the phenomenon of sleep learning hypnopedia, evaluating scientific evidence for learning and memory consolidation during different sleep stages. While the popular notion of absorbing entirely new complex information during deep sleep remains largely unsupported, recent neuroscientific research demonstrates that strategic auditory exposure during sleep can enhance memory consolidation, facilitate vocabulary acquisition in limited contexts, and reinforce previously learned material. This work explores the neurological mechanisms underlying sleep-associated learning, distinguishes between myth and evidence-based applications, and proposes ethical frameworks for developing sleep learning interventions in educational and therapeutic contexts. Sleep learning captured public imagination in the mid-20th century, promising effortless education through overnight audio exposure. Early studies, 1940s 1960s, reported mixed results, leading to widespread skepticism. However, modern neuroscience has reopened this field with sophisticated understanding of sleep architecture and memory systems. Primary question: to what extent can auditory information presented during sleep influence learning, memory consolidation, and behavioral change? Secondary questions: Which sleep stages are most conducive to information processing? What types of learning benefit from sleep-associated exposure? How do sleep learning mechanisms differ from wakeful learning? What are the practical applications and ethical considerations? While classical hypnopedia, learning entirely new complex material during deep sleep, is neurologically implausible. Targeted auditory stimulation during specific sleep stages can significantly enhance memory consolidation of previously learned material, facilitate simple associative learning, and potentially support language vocabulary acquisition through a combination of light sleep processing and repeated pre-sleep, post-sleep exposure patterns. You've just spent another peaceful night with the Sleep Learning Podcast. Let your mind rest, easy knowing that your English and your confidence are growing. Even while you sleep, remember, every night is a new chance to learn something beautiful without stress. If you enjoyed this session, follow the podcast and share it with someone who loves peaceful learning. Sweet dreams, calm mind, and a brighter tomorrow. See you in the next episode.